Hello everyone, I'm Fiona. Many people have been asking about the packaging size of this 6-side EPS polystyrene packaging machine. We have specifically recorded this video to show you guys the maximum packaging size. Through measurement, we can see its dimensions are: length, 1,260 millimeter. Height, 625 millimeter. Width, 780 millimeter. After measuring the size, enter the corresponding data on the touchscreen to start the trial run. For the complete trial run video for 10 packages, please refer to the comments section. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.